after two Obama-appointed judges fail to act, Trump-appointed judge gets a chance to rule on the special counsel's constitutionality, by Jim Hoff for the GatewayPundit.com. A new U.S. judge is now overseeing a case that claims the Mueller investigation is unconstitutional. This is the first time that a Trump-appointed judge is in a position to rule on this matter. Far-left Politico noted on Friday, lawyers for a Russian company accused of financing a massive political influence operation in the United States urged a federal judge Friday to be brave and declare special counsel Robert Mueller's appointment invalid. At a federal courthouse just steps from the U.S. Capitol, the Russian firm's attorney, James Martin, an appellate lawyer with the Pittsburgh-based firm Reed Smith, urged District Court Judge Dabney Friedrich to look past Supreme Court precedent recognizing the appointment of the Watergate special prosecutor in the 1970s. What Politico doesn't report is that the law at the time of the Watergate scandal or the Clinton impeachment was a different law than the one currently in place. The current law requires a crime to be committed, but no crime was named in Rod Rosenstein's order to set up the corrupt Mueller special counsel. Also, it is argued that the Mueller team has too broad a mandate, also not allowed per the special counsel law currently in place. To date, two Obama-appointed judges have had the chance to rule on the constitutionality of the Mueller investigation. One judge, Amy Berman Jackson, is a far-left activist judge who twists the legal system to match her point of view rather than interpret the law as it is written. Berman is overseeing the Manafort case. Manafort sued the DOJ, Mueller, and Rosenstein because what they are doing is not supported by U.S. law. Manafort's case argued in paragraph 33 of its filing that the special counsel put in place by Rosenstein gave crooked Mueller powers that are not permitted by law. Mueller was given the latitude to investigate whatever he wanted and that it is not permitted by the law. Quickly, Judge Jackson overturned Paul Manafort's legitimate plea that the Mueller investigation is outside the parameters of the law. The argument in regards to the constitutionality of the Mueller investigation was next seen by Obama-appointed Judge Beryl Elaine Howell. Judge Howell oversaw an argument from a person connected with Roger Stone who argued against the constitutionality of the Mueller investigation. Last week, Howell announced her opinion on Mueller's constitutionality. The scope of the special counsel's power falls well within the boundaries of the Constitution permits, ruled Judge Beryl Howell, who sits on the U.S. District Court in Washington, D.C. Judge Howell's opinion was no surprise. She was appointed by Obama. Nevertheless, the Mueller investigation is unconstitutional for at least 10 different reasons, and so it should come as no surprise that anyone harassed by this investigation would argue the investigation's constitutionality. Now, Concord Management is arguing the constitutionality of the Mueller investigation. Judge Friedrich has a chance to bring some justice back to the justice system. We'll soon see the results of the determination of constitutionality of the Mueller investigation. This time, the judge will not be a radical activist judge appointed by Obama, and it will be a first to see how a non-activist judge will rule on this case. Let's pray that justice will finally be served. And you can see, you can't be investigated when you're not naming a crime, but yet these two Obama appointees are for what Mueller is doing, along with crooked Rosenstein, that rat. Okay? So the current law requires a crime to be committed, but no crime was named in Rosenstein's order to set up the corrupt Mueller special counsel. You see? So how could you're looking into people without any crime, naming any crime? Yeah, I mean, really? What did you find? What did you find? Nothing. And yet it continues. Why? In order to disrupt this country. And they're thinking by pushing this narrative that the Democrats are going to win. I got news for you, Democrats. You're going to lose, and you're going to lose, as Trump would say, bigly, because people are not stupid. They're not stupid, and they can see right through it. And yesterday it was reported on that that most of the people believe that the Mueller witch hunt is just out to get Trump for anything, you see? And they've still come up with nothing. Okay? What does that tell you? And again, call Mueller out. Ask him to state what it is that he found, anything that he found up to this point that has anything negative on Trump. It would knock the whole investigation out the window, right? But these are the criminal deep staters. And Whoopi, I hope you get the memo. This is the deep state, because you were asking Judge Janine, what the deep state? What is the deep state? Who's the deep state? This is the deep state, and you're one of their cronies. Yeah, you're one of their paid shills. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, thank you so much for watching.